Welcome to Nerd Lecture Series on thermodynamic relations. In this lecture, we are going to see how to derive Maxwell's relations. We are going to be using the same mnemonic we use for deriving fundamental thermodynamic relations. Scientists have purified gases that are very unique. We are going to see how midpoint parameters are related to each other. Now, H and U can be correlated through the common corner point S, keeping P and V as constants. So the relation would be dou H by dou S at constant pressure equals dou U by dou S at constant volume. Importantly, in these relations, we do not have to add any negative sign because only midpoints are involved in the relations. Now let's look at the relation between A and U. A is connected to U via V, keeping S and T as constants. Therefore, dou U by dou V at constant entropy equals dou A by dou V at constant temperature. Now you would be able to derive two more important relations. First, to start with H and G. Dou H by dou P at constant entropy equals dou G by dou P at constant temperature. Can you derive an expression connecting A and G? It is dou A by dou T at constant volume equals dou G by dou T at constant pressure. In this video, you have learned four very important thermodynamic relations through a mnemonic. In the next video, you will learn four more important Maxwell's relations. Thank you.